Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you can find information about online seminars and study manuals for exams PFM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam LTAM. In the standard sickness death model, you are given interest rate is 5%, which is the interest rate in the standard ultimate life table used on exam LTAM. And two, A.5001, which means that this is an annuity paid while this 50-year-old is in state 1 anytime in the future, and this 50-year-old starts in state 0. That's 1.9618. A.6001 is 2.6283, the same meaning as before, but for a 60-year-old. And then A.6011 is 10.7144, and here the 60-year-old starts out in state 1, and then the annuity is paid while this person is in state 1. Calculate 10,000 A 50 colon angle 10 01, which is a temporary life annuity paid only for 10 years, up to 10 years, for this person, 50-year-old, starting out in state 0, paid only while the person is in state 1, and this is an annuity immediate, not an annuity due. And of course, it's multiplied by 10,000. And here's a solution. So note that AXIJ is equal to A.Xij for I not equal to j, because neither annuity actually produces a payment at time 0. And AXII is equal to A.Xii minus 1, because A.Xii has a payment of 1 at time 0, while AXII does not. You should also note that the expression standard sickness death model refers to the table on page 5 of the standard ultimate life table provided with exam LTAM, available at smarturl.it/SULT. We will use the acronym SSDM for the standard sickness death model. Therefore, we have 10,000 A 50 colon angle 1001. That's equal to 10,000 times A5001, which is equal to A.5001, minus 1.05 to a negative 10 times 10p5000, which is the property of survival in state 0. Well, starting out from state 0 and being in state 0 10 years later. It's not continuously in state 0. All we need here is that the person starts out in state 0 and is in state 0 in 10 years. That's given in the table as SSDM, and it's 0.83936 times A6001, which is equal to A.6001, minus 1.05 to a negative 10 times 10p5001. That's in the table. That's 0.06554. Times A6011, which is A.6011 minus 1. And now we have all these things they're given in the table, so we plug them in. And notice what happens here is that we simply take out the portion of the life annuity on a 50-year-old payable while this person is in state 1, while the person starts out in state 0. We take out all the payments that start 10 years later and are paid in that state in which the person is supposed to receive the payments, which is state 1. So that's why this is equal to the temporary life annuity that we're looking for. And that's equal to 10,000 times 1.9618 minus 1.05 to a negative 10 times 0.83936 times 2.6283 minus 1.05 to a negative 10 times 0.06554 times 9.7144, and that's approximately equal to 2,165.85. Note that the annuities due values are given in the problem. They do not come from page 5 of the SULT table. That page 5 only gives continuous annuities values. So this is answer C. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.